Isabel, Charlie. Hey Isabel, where are you?
Disney.
Disney! Michelle! Eileen!
Disney.
Oh, Disney! Whoops. Let's have a look back here. Come on, Chica.
Here as well, look. That's not true. You ready? Big cheese. How nice.
And speak to me, guys. Speak to me in front of the castle. What have you all got to say? Anything special?
Disneyland.
Yeah, Disney World.
And we're going on Tron. We're going on Tron, Charlie and I. Alright, ready for another Disney?
You know that one behind it?
Yeah.
That
Nice.
one that's going around.
That's why it's around. Yeah, we got it.
Pam and Dave,
Going down there, about 100 feet.
video.
That's warm up.
Michelle, Eileen,
That's the warm up over there.
where are we?
You see the big mountain?
Disney.
Disney World, Magic Kingdom.
Not everything.